Who pulled that one in? How'd you get it?
You just gave it to me.
Is it tugging? You got it. What do you got, Brooke? Another one? Pull it up. Slide it up. You got a fish on there? Whoa, it's tugging. Oh, there it is. I think you got someone else's line. Pull it, keep pulling. You got it, good job. Back it up. Good job, Brooke. What is that? Good. I think they're gray cod. What you doing, Mason? Hey, what are you doing? Have you caught any yet? Fishing up the Homer Spit. You got it. Oh. Okay, walk down here. Try to get me. No, that one's the Irish lorry. Yeah, come on, buddy, let's go see it. Walk up there and grab your line. You grab your line, bud?
Okay.
Keep cranking, it's almost in.
You did. You think you have a fish? Then you better reel in fast. Still on there? Real fast. How'd you catch it? You just reeled it right in? Good job.